Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are going to go ahead and get this block stripped down as much as we can. So pretty much all this up front's coming off completely, everything here, timing belt, all that stuff. We're going to get the pan off of it, get the pistons, the rods, crank, everything out. Anything back here, sensors, everything. So whatever we can get out, we're getting out. I'm going to try and get these studs out as well because they're not going to be needed because I'm going to clean this all up anyways and probably get all new studs. Everything on this engine is getting replaced. I can get replaced. So yeah, with that being said, we're going to jump into that. But before we do that, I'm going to put this here. These are shelves that I got a while back. I haven't even used them. So I'm going to put one up right here. So all the parts that come off this block, we can go ahead and just neatly put on the shelf so we don't have a mess, since you guys know we've been cleaning up the shop as best as we can as we go along. So let's go ahead and get that done right quick. We don't need this where we're going, guys. Alright guys, so the camera died, so you guys are going to be on the head cam for the rest of this. I meant to put the head cam on earlier, but I forgot I had it with me, so Wee-hoo! Somewhere in the mains. Yep. Definitely somewhere in this block. That's for sure. Let's see if I can get these out. Damaging that. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright guys, so I charged the camera up a little bit. I did get some purple power and some brake cleaner and just a spray bottle, you know. But I got a case of brake cleaner because we always use it and we always need it. Like right now we're gonna need it. So, yep. Might as well. Open. That was so unnecessary. Might as well just got a case, you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and just spray down the whole top of it real quick, just so we can see how this engine looks inside here. It's really disgusting. So I probably should have torn this all apart before getting pistons for it, in case I wanted to do like, you know, 20 over or whatnot. But let's spray this whole thing down real quick, you know. You get dirty in here, boy. This engine is disgusting. Hey yo. We're gonna be pressure washing this engine tomorrow. So that'll be the next video, getting it pressure washed and everything, and getting all the little stuff off that we need to. But I want to get this block clean, so that'll be a next video. But yeah, I just want to spray in here real quick, just so we can see how the cylinders look. Great clean goes. But yeah, the block looks a little scored up, not too much. So, like down there, you can see that line in it. A little bit in here, not much in here. You still see some crotch hatch in it. You see a little scoring in it, but nothing that grabs the nail. That should all come out with a good hone. Let me see. Get my nail in here. Yeah, none of this grabs with the nail, so yeah, all that should come out with a good hone. I'm gonna get a hold of Bishimoto in a second and see if they think I should, if they haven't got the pistons done yet or whatever, if it's too late to do like a 20 over or something. We'll see. I don't really like doing like bores on like open deck blocks, but since we're getting a CSS, that shouldn't be too bad. I'll talk to him and see what he thinks about it. But yeah, this block is pretty much torn down. Pistons look good, but I mean, in our case, it doesn't really matter because we're not using these. But none of the rings look cracked, or piston doesn't look cracked. None of that I can see. Definitely has some bearing failure in it, but that's about it. This engine didn't smoke or nothing, so yeah. Pistons not cracked, rings are good, none of that. So I believe this engine right here the original F23 that came out of the Accord, the pistons in this thing was cracked, which I think somewhere in here. I'm not sure. I'll look for them later, and maybe if I remember, you know, I'll show you guys. But I believe 1 or 2 of those pistons were cracked, and the engine went to like 18 pounds or something on. So, but this is about as far as we're gonna get in this video, guys. We got the engine pretty much stripped down and stuff like that. Literally all we got is this here, but I'll take all this off when we go ahead and get this engine pressure washed and cleaned off really good and get it all packed and everything, boxed and everything, get sent out. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was just mainly time lapse, but I wanted to just get this thing done and still get a video out for you guys. So faster we get this block out, faster we can get CSS, and faster we can get back to us, and we can put an engine together for the Accord. Obviously you guys saw yesterday's video. If not, what y'all sleeping on? Go check it out. But we did a little spinny spin as best a car would able to do in the rain, you know what I'm saying? But we got the clutch line and everything in the Accord, and it is running and driving again. So yeah, I am on the search for injectors. If anybody has some, I did sell my 750s, and I'm looking for minimum 1200 to 1000 cc's, or like 1200s. For this engine that we build, we'll be able to be good for about 600-700, because we can bump the fuel pressure up on the regulator and all that. We got the fuel pump for it, and on E85 there's no problem to make 700 if we bump the fuel pressure up with the regulator, so with 1200 cc injectors. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course before I leave here, I got this mess I got to clean up, so we're just going to throw some freaking oil dry down on the ground, let it do its thing, and pick it up tomorrow. So yeah, like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.